There's a difference between self-care, self-love, and being selfish. You have to know the difference. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So part of becoming the best version of yourself, part of improving yourself, whether it's mentally, physically, and emotionally, is being able to take time to care just for you. Take time for yourself, time to grow, time to replenish, time to do the things you enjoy. There's a key difference between taking time out for self-care and being selfish. When you're being selfish, you're constantly thinking about your own needs. You're thinking about what you can do to get to the next level, and it doesn't even matter who you hurt along the way, who you step on along the way. Self-care is, yes, replenishing yourself, yes, taking time, to have a breather, time to do things that serve you, but essentially that benefits the people around you, that benefits people within your network. You're taking time out for yourself so you can self-reflect, self-evaluate, see where you can go, take a break from your heavy schedules, your normal family life, your studying, replenishing yourself so you can be the best version of yourself to those people. There's a key difference here. It's important to make sure that you're taking time for yourself. You shouldn't be very selfish and think that the world revolves around you. Think, okay, I'm trying to be successful. If that means getting rid of people that matter in my life, if that means stepping on people's toes, if that means backstabbing someone at work so you can get a promotion, if that means doing things that simply please you and things that leave other people at a detriment, and that's completely selfish. Being selfish creates barriers between you and people, between you building relationships. It's important to know that the world doesn't revolve around you. Yes, people would appreciate you taking time out for yourself, but don't be selfish. Don't think that everything that has to be done, it has to revolve around you. That's not growth. You realize that the more selfish you are, the more relationships you lose, the more people look at you a certain way, the more people value you as this inconsiderate person. But there's a key difference between thinking, okay, I'm going to take time for myself, I'm going to focus on what I want. Focusing on what you want doesn't mean that you have to step on other people's toes. Focusing on what you want to get doesn't mean that you don't have the time for people that you care about. There's a thin line between self-care and just simply being selfish. You have to know the difference. Whatever that self-care looks like to you, whether it's you just taking time out to do a mask, taking time out to read a book, taking time out to go away on a solo trip, or whatever that may be, whatever your self-care looks like, you have to make sure that you set boundaries, because some people will try and make it seem that the time that you're taking for yourself is selfish. That's why it's important to be able to have barriers and make sure that people don't come into that space with negativity. The more you take time to yourself, the more you realize how much energy you put into your project, whether that's changing your career path, whether that's developing your business, whether that's just becoming in a better place mentally, whatever that may be. Taking time out to breathe and reflect and see where you currently stand is so important, especially in the world that we live in now, where everything is go, 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 go. You're trying to get from A to B to C, but how often are you really taking time out to really reflect on where you're going or how far you've come, or simply just do the things you love? Simply just take time out to just be by yourself with your own thoughts and think positively. So it's important to make sure that you're taking some time for yourself. Take time to care for your own needs, but that doesn't mean be selfish. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you do when you're having a bit of me time, self-care, and I'll see you on my next one.